Meet Maria, a hardworking waitress at Sunny's Diner, where the coffee's always hot and the breakfast rush never stops. From dawn to dusk, she weaves between packed tables, her notepad a blur of scribbled orders and her determination never wavering. The diner's a whirlwind of clinking plates, sizzling griddles, and constant chatter. Through endless shifts of refilling coffee mugs, taking rapid-fire orders, and cleaning up after the lunch crowd, she keeps her eye on one goal: her dreams of visiting Paris. The big morning arrives. Maria's at the airport, heart racing with excitement, passport in hand, but then disaster strikes. The check-in agent, Frank, who equally works hard at the international airport, delivers crushing news.
You can't board without Schengen Travel Insurance.
Just like that, her entire dream crumbles. Her months of saving, her carefully crafted plans, gone in an instant. Don't let this happen to you. In the next few minutes, we'll show you exactly how to prepare and avoid Maria's heartbreaking mistake. What is Schengen Visa Insurance? Imagine you're hiking in the Swiss Alps when a sudden altitude-related illness strikes. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. They're real risks every international traveler faces. That's where Schengen Visa Insurance becomes your unsung hero. It's more than just a piece of paper. It's your financial safety net, your emergency backup plan, and your passport to peace of mind when traveling through Europe. Legal basis and requirements. Under Regulation EC number 810/2009 of the European Parliament, your travel insurance must adhere to specific requirements to be valid for a Schengen visa. First, it must include a minimum medical coverage of €30,000, approximately $33,000, ensuring sufficient protection for unforeseen medical expenses. The policy should have geographic validity across all Schengen area member states, providing seamless coverage throughout your travels. Additionally, the insurance must cover the entire duration of your stay to avoid any gaps in protection. Comprehensive protection is also mandatory, encompassing emergency medical care, hospitalization, medical repatriation, and even coverage in the event of death. Meeting these criteria is essential for a successful visa application and a secure journey. Who needs Schengen Visa Travel Insurance? Travel insurance is a mandatory requirement for anyone applying for a Schengen visa. Whether you are traveling for business, tourism, study, or other purposes, having the right insurance is essential. This requirement applies to nationals from countries that need a Schengen visa, including India, China, Russia, and many more. Be sure to check the full list of countries in the video description below to confirm whether you fall under this category. Having the right insurance will ensure your journey is protected and compliant with all visa regulations. Visa-Exempt Travelers. Citizens of the following countries do not need a Schengen visa for short stays that last up to 90 days. United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, Japan, South Korea. Please note that while not mandatory for visa-exempt travelers, insurance is still highly recommended. In the high-stakes world of international travel, numbers tell a stark story. Picture this. In 2023, nearly 1.6 million travelers watched their European dreams evaporate at the stroke of an official's pen. But this wasn't about passion or potential, it was about paperwork. Of those 1,632,984 rejected visa applications, a significant portion fell victim to the most preventable of mistakes: incomplete documentation. And at the heart of these rejections, a seemingly mundane yet critical detail: inadequate travel insurance. Each rejection represents more than just a stamped denied form. It's a crushed dream, a missed opportunity, a journey never taken, all because of a piece of paper that could have been easily obtained, a protection plan that could have been simply purchased. Choosing the right insurance provider. When selecting a Schengen visa insurance plan, it's essential to prioritize a few key factors to ensure a smooth application process. Start by choosing a provider that is both licensed and embassy approved, as this guarantees that your policy will meet the strict standards set by Schengen member countries. Opt for a plan that offers instant downloadable insurance certificates, enabling you to access the necessary documents quickly and avoid delays in your application. Finally, Ensure the insurance provides comprehensive coverage that meets all Schengen visa requirements, offering you the protection and peace of mind needed for your travels. Some reputable insurance providers. When it comes to choosing a reliable insurance provider for your Schengen visa, several reputable options stand out. AXA offers trusted plans tailored to meet Schengen visa requirements, while Europe Assistance provides comprehensive travel coverage with a global reputation. Allianz is another well-known provider, known for its extensive range of insurance products. Mutuaid delivers dependable coverage solutions, ensuring compliance with embassy standards. Mondial Care specializes in policies designed specifically for international travelers, and World Trips offers flexible plans to suit diverse travel needs. These providers are all excellent choices for securing the necessary insurance for your Schengen visa application. Consequences of inadequate insurance. Choosing unapproved or insufficient medical insurance can lead to serious consequences for your European travel plans. One of the most significant risks is the rejection of your Schengen visa application, which can derail your trip before it even begins. Even if your visa is approved, inadequate insurance might result in denial of entry at border control, leaving you stranded upon arrival. Additionally, traveling without proper coverage exposes you to potential financial risks, such as high medical costs in case of emergencies. Ensuring your insurance meets all requirements is crucial to avoiding these complications and enjoying a stress-free journey. Pro tips. To ensure a hassle-free Schengen visa application process, it's important to take a few key steps when securing your travel insurance. Start by purchasing your insurance well in advance of your trip to avoid last-minute complications. Make sure to keep both digital and physical copies of your insurance documents handy for easy access during your journey. Verify that your policy meets all Schengen visa requirements to prevent delays or rejections. Lastly, download and prepare your insurance certificate before your visa interview, ensuring you have all the necessary paperwork ready for submission. Taking these proactive measures will set you up for a smooth and successful travel experience. If you're looking for more information about Schengen visa insurance and requirements, there are several reliable sources to consult. Official Schengen visa websites provide detailed guidelines and updates to help you understand the application process. European Union immigration resources are another excellent option, offering comprehensive insights into travel policies and requirements. Additionally, the embassies of Schengen countries can serve as a valuable point of contact for specific inquiries, ensuring you have accurate and up-to-date information tailored to your destination. Relying on these trusted resources will help you navigate the process with confidence. In addition, I will be leaving some helpful links along with the video description. Travel to Europe a lot? Then you should check out this video for more tips on the new ETS visa requirement for entering Europe. See you in the next video.